First, you'll be needing any slime. You'll also be needing one of these pads or a diaper. First, take your pad or diaper out. Have it looking somewhat like this. Pour water onto the area that absorbs the water. Now you will need to cut the pad or diaper where the absorbing part starts. Split the two pieces apart from each other. Now you should have a jelly-like substance in the inside. The reason why it's a jelly substance is because when there's water on it, it expands. Now, with your hands, you need to scrape the jelly substance off of the pad. Break the substance into pieces. It should look like this. It's time to put your slime into the mixture. Make sure everything is well mixed in. This is the final product of my cloud slime. It was very stretchy and much fluffier than before.